How to configure IP address and subnet mask on Debian. Are you looking to set up a server with Debian and need to configure the IP address and subnet mask? You've come to the right place. Let's break down the steps to get your network settings just right. First, you will need to identify your network interface name. Open your terminal and type the command ipadder-show. This command will list all your network interfaces. Common names you might see include ETH0 for wired connections or NP0s 3, NP0s 5, depending on your hardware. Next, it's a good idea to back up your current network configuration. This way, you can restore it if anything goes wrong. Use the command sudo cp network interfaces backup to create a backup of your interfaces file. Now let's open the interfaces file for editing. You can use a text editor like Nano. Type sudo nano network interfaces to open the file. Once you have the file open, look for the section that corresponds to your network interface. If your system is set to use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, you might see something like this. Auto at 0. Interface at 0 and at DHCP. To set a static IP address, you will need to change DHCP to static. After that, you will add your desired IP settings. Here's how it should look. Auto at 0. Interface at 0 and at static. Address your static IP address. Netmask your subnet mask. Gateway your default gateway. For example, if you want to set the IP address to 190.168.1.100, the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0, and the gateway to 190.168.1.1, it will look like this. Auto at 0. Interface at 0 and at static. Address 190.160.1.100. Netmask 255.255.255.0. Gateway 190.160.1.1. If you want to specify domain name system servers, you can add a line like this. DNS name servers 8.8.8.88.8.4.4. After entering your settings, save the file and exit the editor. If you used Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and O to save, then Ctrl and X to exit. Now it's time to apply your changes. Restart the networking service with the command sudo systemctl restart networking. This will activate your new settings. To verify that your new IP address and subnet mask are active, run the command ipadder-show eth0. You should see your new settings reflected there. Configuring a static IP address is essential for servers or devices that need a fixed network identity. This method is widely used in server environments, especially with Debian, as it offers direct control over network settings. By following these steps, you can successfully configure the IP address and subnet mask on your Debian server. Enjoy your new setup.